And this person standing right here, this is the signing of the charter, which took place in San Francisco in 1945. And he was President of the United States in 1945. Does anyone know who the President of the United States was in 1945?
Carter?
No. His name was Harry Truman. Okay. Now, Harry Truman was not the elected president. He took the office when the other president died. Okay. And his name was Franklin Delano Roosevelt. And he had served almost 4 terms as president, okay, before he died. So now we have the United Nations, and 192 countries are involved. Okay, that is a tremendous thing. Now, the United Nations does a lot of good. The UN runs many different humanitarian programs around the world. Okay, one of these programs is called UNICEF. Has anyone ever heard of UNICEF? When would you hear of UNICEF? Go ahead. Excellent. Yes, you support UNICEF, and some kids actually sacrifice that candy on Halloween and instead collect money for UNICEF. Okay, UNICEF is a UN program, UN, okay, and it's there to promote safety and health around the world. Another program, let's see if we can figure out what this program is all about. It's called the World Food Project. What do you think the World Food Project is trying to do? What do you think we're doing over there, right there? Yep. Right, okay. It's trying to end malnutrition in the world. Malnutrition means that you don't have enough to eat. And we have well over 1 billion people in this world that go to bed hungry every single night. A billion people. Okay, so the UN has a big job to do. Okay, another important job is done by the Security Council and the General Assembly. Now again, the General Assembly, you have 192 countries. You have this tiny country of Andorra in Europe. Probably you haven't even heard of it. They have 1 vote, just like the massive country of China has 1 vote, okay, in the General Assembly. Doesn't make any difference how big or how small you are. You have the same amount of power in the General Assembly. But they also have the Security Council, and that's made up of 15 members, and 5 of them are permanent. Let's take a look at the 5 permanent members. Who are the 5 permanent members of the Security Council?
China, France, Russia, UK, and USA.
What's UK? What's UK right there? United Kingdom. Why do you think those 5 countries would get a special place? Security Council. Why those 5? Right there. Yep. They're the biggest, okay? Economically powerful, militarily powerful, okay? And they have had a long run as the members of the Security Council. And then you have 10 other rotating members. Now, these 5 have a particular power in the Security Council. Okay, let's say all 100 and, well, it wouldn't be 92. Let's say 191 of the countries agree on a particular idea that they want to pass. If 1 member of that permanent 5 says veto, it can pass. So what do you think veto means? What do you think veto means? No. It means I forbid. Okay, Latin, you'll be learning these with your roots, your word within a word. Okay, and you'll learn it when you study ancient Rome, because a particular group of people called tribunes had veto power against the more powerful patricians in the Roman government, and you'll learn about that. Again, News Currents is all about connections, and you'll be making connections between this and other things you'll be studying. Okay, now, President Obama is going to be leading a very important meeting on Thursday, okay, of the Security Council. And he is talking about something called nuclear disarmament. What do you think nuclear disarmament means? Would that be a good idea? Why? That's right. Okay. Has there ever been a nuclear bomb dropped on a particular place? Where? It was in Asia. Japan. Okay, Nagasaki and Hiroshima. Okay, 2 different places, 2 days apart. Okay, and hundreds of thousands of people died. And the nuclear weapons we have today are much more powerful than those. And as a 6th grade student, there are 3 powerful books that you could read that would teach you a lot about that whole topic. One of them is called Sadako. Have you ever read Sadako? In the 10,000 Paper Cranes? Another one is called Hiroshima. And a third one is called The Bomb. Okay, and the bomb is not about dropping a bomb on a particular city. It's about testing nuclear bombs. But you will see the power of these nuclear bombs in that book, The Bomb. Okay, so President Obama has a goal of total nuclear disarmament. Well, he's president. All the world. What a lofty goal. Is he well on his way to doing this? Well, he met with the president of Russia, okay, Dmitry Medvedev, in the summer, and they agreed to cut the amount of nuclear weapons by 1/3. Okay, that's a big start. So let's hope that he is successful in promoting this to the Security Council. Okay, Constitution Day, September 17th. Again, you're always trying to remember those images that I introduced at the beginning. What is Constitution Day? Anyone have any ideas? What do you think? Constitution up there. That's right. Okay. And it was September 17th, 1787. That's when the Constitution was signed. That was a very important moment in our history because the Constitution is important to our country. Why? This is the Constitution. This is a pocket Constitution. And I always kept it in my desk drawer when I was teaching, and I keep it in my car. I don't know why I keep it in my car, in case I'm stopped by the thought police or something. Okay, but the Constitution is the set of laws that govern this country. All the laws have to be based on this Constitution. And it was very important for this country to have a strong Constitution, or we wouldn't be a country this long.